Hey there, let's talk about underbellies. We're in a 1974 mobile home double wide where the person was doing it themselves as far as repairs and reconfigured a lot of different things. Obviously, they were having subfloor issues, so there's been a lot of new wood that's been put in, cross-membered, blocked, and whatnot. But I wanted to talk about the underbelly itself. So what you can actually see, so this is actually a great example to see what we've got here. You can actually see the steel frame for the manufactured home, okay? Then on top of that, what you have is your subfloor floor joists going across this area, right? Okay, if you go over here, make sure I'm stepping on the right stuff, you'll also see a bunch of different things for electrical. You'll see plumbing taking place there. Okay, you'll also see duct work. It's over here. You'll also see duct work that is coming in underneath. So the main reason why ductwork runs this way under a home is to help with the heating. Okay, so it is absolutely crucial that skirting, which is this stuff that goes around the edge, see it a little bit better over there with it insulated, skirting is intact, especially in cold climates. The other thing is the ductwork will be hot, obviously, in this cavity when it's running. And then normally what happens is you have insulation and you have kind of like, it's almost like a landscaping mesh that goes up underneath it, which holds up the insulation up under the home and having insulation between the floor joists so that you don't have a lot of temperature variations. It also helps with, obviously, your temperature bill within the home, as well as also, main thing, plumbing, okay? We don't want our plumbing to keep on freezing up. So the unfortunate thing right here is that these folks tore out a lot of that insulation while they were doing their repairs, but it also gives us a great example of what do you have here. The other thing is the sill plate will actually give you a pretty good understanding as to, so that's the spot there, the floor joist, then you have the wall that sits there, as to what kind of precipitation water has been coming in around the home. So the unfortunate thing is they took the underbelly stuff out. Obviously, we can put that back in, but that is going to be a crucial piece to buttoning up and finishing up the refurb on this home. And it's just making sure that everything is well insulated. And obviously, you can see there's a lot of debris under the home from the work that had been done, also when it was moved here, and so on and so forth. So underbelly insulation, as well as the mesh stuff holding it up, is absolutely crucial, along with ductwork heating this space, and then completely enclosed area with skirting holding it in place to help keep warmth in the home. So from an energy efficiency standpoint, or just a temperature standpoint, those things are crucial, and that's why they're set up the way that they are, as well as also broken pipes in your cold climates. Now in your warm climates, it's not as crucial. But the other thing is this, you do not want, if something can get through over here, you don't want rodents and other things coming up through your home. And so that's another reason why they have some of these barriers put in place, as well as with the meshing. So even if you're in a warmer climate, it's still crucial from that standpoint to keep things that you don't want in the home out of the home. Now, the other piece to that is just making sure that it is well insulated again. Obviously, you can see there's going to be some things like that need to be done. Mesh put back up underneath it, and also potentially some repairs done to the ductwork. Obviously, then subfloor put on, but we've got a bunch of plumbing that we're doing. So having this floor open is actually a benefit right now. And then once we're done with that, we'll be closing that back up and making sure that we've got what I would call battens of insulation, as well as also that mesh underbelly insulation holder in place. So Crucial things for cold climates. It gives you a bird's eye view of actually what this looks like and why also putting it back correctly is absolutely crucial. Make it a good day.